This is my Gemini Jets, American Airlines, Boeing 757-200 model. Is very common. The seats are very high, especially the printing. Especially printing with American. Engines are also very high detailed. Also, we can't see from the winglets, but the winglets also have American Airlines on it. Front part. That's my American Airlines. It's not that big. It's like the size of my hand. I'm 9 years old. I have the hand of a 9-year-old, and I'm actually 13. Yeah, so you can see the difference of it compared to a box. Box you can see is this 757-200. This is how the back of the box looks. This is from American Airlines. Thank you.